Think one or two disputes don't matter? Repeated patterns are exactly what processors look for, and they can put your entire account at risk. Here's a quick way to catch patterns. Track each chargeback or customer complaint and note the reason. When you start to see repeats, that's a signal you need to fix the root problem before your processor flags you. Processors don't just look at how many chargebacks you have, they look for patterns. If multiple customers complain about the same thing, it signals your business model might be unstable. That's one of the fastest ways to get labeled high risk or have your funds frozen. Tracking reasons manually helps, but it is reactive and not proactive. That's why Easy Pay Direct goes beyond basic tracking. Their team helps monitor disputes across all your accounts, spots patterns early, and gives you the tools to prevent them from escalating. Pair that with chargeback mitigation, and you are far less likely to face surprise holds. I've linked Easy Pay Direct in the description so you can check it out. You will also get access to hosted checkout, which makes it easier for customers to pay quickly and securely, reducing errors that can lead to disputes. If you want to stay ahead of dispute patterns and keep your accounts stable, EasyPay Direct makes it simple. The sign up link is right there in the description whenever you are ready.